Hi all. Today we will talk about how to query the null values. We will focus about how to use the ISNULL and the ISNOT-NULL operators. So in the last video we had the customer table and we had the first two records. The first record had all the columns are full and with values. The second one, the company and the city are null, so they don't have values. And I added the third row, only the company has a null value or it has no value. So we will talk now about the isNull and the isNotNull operator. So if we write the following query, select all from customers table, where the company is null. So this query it will return two records, the second one and the third one, and this is because the company is null in these records. If we try another query, select all from customers, where the city is not null. In this case we will have the first row and the third row returned as these they don't have the null value in the city. So let us go to the SQL Server Management Studio and try this query. So at the beginning the customers table is as shown. At first we will try the isNull operator. Select all from customers where the company is null. And actually the case of null is not important here, and if we run the query we will have the company null values, or we have the records in which the companies are null. And if we select all from customers where the city is not null, and we try to execute this query, we will have the records in which the city has values, and the third record, which is the city has null values, it will be dismissed. So actually this is our video today. If you have any comments, we will be glad to hear about it, and kindly like the video and subscribe to get the future updates. Thank you all.